Yeah, good question. I mean, we have a white paper on our website. It kind of describes four phases of what we've discovered that clients go through as they scale an online selling business. And the first phase, you're starting out. You might have a job, kind of selling on the side, maybe like 0 to 100K sales. Then you're maybe 100 to 2, 3, 400. Then you go from 400 to a million, and then it's a million plus. And so those are the kind of phases we see, and we've identified in that white paper, what you need to look for in the next phase, or what you may be discovering in the current phase that you're maybe not aware of. But usually like when you're in the 2 to 400 range, you're probably still out of your house or a garage or maybe a small storage space. But if you're getting into the 800 million plus, you're going to need a commercial space or a larger warehouse to be shipping that product. You're probably looking maybe hiring somebody because you can't do it all yourself. And certainly a million plus is you're running an operation. You can't really be working in Excel and managing all that inventory. It's just impossible. And worrying about listings and returns, and there's just so much involved. You have to eventually hire some people. So that was kind of what we discover and identify in different phases. So when we're talking to leads and seeing what their business needs are, you're kind of identifying what you're selling and where you're at, where you're going this year, what the next year potentially looks like. But those are kind of the secrets to scaling, is making sure you're on track and recognize what the next level looks like, so you can begin to plan for it, not only just operationally but cash flow, because again, you don't want to reinvest all of your cash into inventory if you need to save some of that for a commercial space lease, hiring new employees. That requires payroll taxes and a whole slew of different things. So, as an advisor, not just looking at the P&L balance sheet, we're constantly looking at clients and advising them on kind of next stages, and making sure they're aware that these things are coming down the pipe, because we work and see all different phases. And whether you're just starting out or you're selling 20 million plus on Amazon or through your website, we have that perspective to understand what your goals are in scaling, and what you can potentially be looking for down the pipe. Certainly reach out to us if you feel like you have CPA needs. If you own a business, run a property, you feel like you're not getting proactive advisory and proactive tax planning, tax savings, my team is here to help. It's not me doing all the work. We have a team behind us. Check out the Meet the Team page on our website at insognacpa.com. It's INSOGNA CPA.com. And certainly love to at least have a conversation, see if we're the right fit for you, and see how we can help you going forward.